Being skinny fat is having low muscle mass and high body fat. Let's try and fix that. You need to get stronger in your main movement patterns: push, pull, squat, and hinge. I'll give you my recommendations, but feel free to choose the exercises you enjoy. For push, the overhead press. For pull, the weighted pull-up. For squat, the Zercher squat. And for hinge, the Romanian deadlift. Also add in something for the core and hips, since they are most likely weak and tight from the sedentary lifestyle. You can do the leg raise for core and the frog hinge for hips. Progressive overload on your main movement patterns should be your priority if you're skinny fat. Just eat whole foods with a focus on animal protein for muscle mass, animal fat for hormones, and the rest goes to carbs for energy. Now here is where opinions differ. Should you bulk, cut, or recomp? In my opinion, it doesn't really matter. Your body composition will change if you put more weight on your compound lifts, while getting enough animal protein and fat. You also don't need to count calories if you're eating whole foods. But if you want to be autistic about it, calculate your maintenance calories, cut first, then bulk and repeat. Just avoid extreme bulks or cuts, as the bulk will make you a fatty, and the cut will mess up your already messed up hormones. If it's not one ingredient, don't buy it. With this approach, you will need to cook your own food, so learn that if you can't already. No need for those fancy social media hipster meals. Just learn how to use basic ingredients to make simple, tasty meals. Get daily sunlight and be somewhat active, but there is no need to run for no reason and ruin your knees. Just take a long walk here and there. Cut out alcohol, or at least limit it if you need it to cope with life. Drink some raw fermented dairy, as that may help if you have gut issues, which are common among people with this physique.